Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to talk about some great news from Robinhood. And as you can see here on this tweet, Robinhood will be listing 4 new crypto, and one of them is SHIB. Okay, and I saw the tweet. It was about an hour ago, and I had to confirm it by going to the actual Robinhood website, which I will show it to you in a minute. So as you can see, the 4 tokens are Compound, Solana, Polygon, and SHIB. Okay, and of course I retweeted it, and this is what's been going on the last day. This is an hour ago. As you can see, they put another tweet up about the funny tweet here. And of course, let me see. I saw another one right here. This is the comment that I saw a retweet on. Excuse me, and it said we lit the ship. So I went and do some digging because I didn't see much on major websites, like any news on that. And I went to go into their blog. Okay, so it is listed today, April 12, 2022. Robinhood lists 4 new crypto assets, and as you can see here, okay, Compound, Polygon, Shiba Inu, and Solana. So it's big news. I'm not going to read all this, but just wanted to put that out there that it is official. And let's scroll down, see if they actually have a date. Of course, if you open up the Robinhood app right now, it is not in there right now. And so there's further more news coming up on that, on when it's officially going to be trading on Robinhood. But as you can see here, it is now official. They will be listing these 4 cryptos. And as you can see, the stock has not been doing well since its IPO, which that's when I bought in on it when it first came out, IPO. It's been struggling, and of course, the last couple of quarters, it's been earnings been disappointing on that, and people were saying that, you know, if your earnings are not doing well, why don't you put more crypto? Because that was the basis of Robinhood launch in terms of stock. Dogecoin really was a big bulk of their profit. So now that we have Shiba Inu, excuse me, of course the overall market is right now is down, and I'm talking about overall in terms of stock and crypto, and because of events I don't want to mention. Yeah, but I mean this is a great deal overall. Like I said, if you're a shareholder of Robinhood, it's great. It shows that the company is listening to its investors. And which is great, because I was kind of wondering myself when this was going to happen. This is long overdue. Okay. And like I said, I'm very excited about it. It's a very, very big deal. Okay. So it's official. Shiba Inu, Solana, Polygon, and Compound are going to be listed on Robinhood. Coming soon. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And with that, I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.